Vijay, wait here only.
Who did this to him? What happened to him now?
Ma'am, did she vomit after the injury?
Why, doctor? Is something serious?
There's no hemorrhage or blood clot on the brain.
Please don't scare me by telling those things.
Let her be in ICU for another 3 days. And then we'll scan her brain and see.
Nandini, please open your eyes, Nandini.
Doctor. Doctor. Hey, you deaf fella. How is he? Tell me.
Hey, wait, man. I'm saying no. 1-2 days, I'll put him in general ward. Then you can meet him. No issues. Everything is going well. You calm down, man.
How to be patient. Whatever you have done till now is okay. We'll take him with us. It's okay, okay.
This is ICO. Don't make noise, okay?
Okay, okay.
Hey, listen. I'm warning you before only.
Ask him to be quiet, yeah.
If you stand with him, he will recover immediately.
Hey, what, man? You're talking with doctor like that? Are you friends?
Yes, yes. He is my classmate.
Till which class you have studied?
Till first standard we studied together. He is my best friend. Hey, Vijay.
Sir, please don't disturb the patient. Please stay out.
She is talking only about you. All you go out. Wait.
Sir, everyone should stay out.
Hey,
Come,
come,
my
man.
my close friend, I will be here.
Hey,
Sir, we are telling for the wellness of patient. Please stay
Oh,
out.
there she is asking me to go out, you know. And this is all
You can
not
actually
good.
see him afterwards. Let him take rest.
Don't stand there, close the door
let's
and
go.
come. The nurse is already shouting. The nurse is uneducated. Come, go.
Dude, what, man? You're talking to a doctor like that in a singular.
You bloody fella, he is my classmate.
Shanmukha, I'll ask you for a help. Will
What?
you do it? Personally, I have to consult a doctor.
Oh my God.
Doctor is your friend, right, Shanmukha? Please tell me. I want to talk.
You should have told me this before. He will solve all your problems. You come with me.
Okay, done.
What happened? Do you have
Yes,
cough?
sir.
Are you still coughing?
I'll
No,
go
sir.
get the
Okay,
token.
wait.
Hey,
I'll write the
I told you he is
prescription.
my classmate. Close
Hey,
friend.
what, man? You have not gone yet. You are
One
still
minute,
roaming here
you see,
itself.
give it.
Hey, what
Sir,
you're doing?
You can go to the counter
Okay.
outside. They'll give you pills. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the night. Don't come
Okay.
back. You go sit.
Hey, don't send patients like that.
That is a standard and regular for everyone. No, I know that.
Okay, tell. Why are you
He
here
is
now?
my friend.
Okay,
He has got a problem.
okay.
He feels shy to say that. That is why I brought him to you. You ask him,
That's
he will tell you.
okay. Now there's lot of patients. I'll see all of them. Just wait for
You
10
don't
minutes.
respect friendship. Only your patients are big for you.
Okay,
You get
okay,
up.
okay.
Let's
Calm
go.
down. Don't scream in hospital. I'll see him. Okay, wait. You tell brother. What happened to you?
Sir, I'm really shy. Can you please send him out?
Oh, is it? Okay, you go outside.
Go
I'll call you
outside.
later.
If it's nuts, you can stay here. Not now.
Now tell. What happened?
Sir, every day I have the habit of consuming alcohol.
Who for you? Okay.
While drinking for the taste bud sake, we eat chicken and all the mixtures and everything. While consuming those foods, my throat gets irritated a lot, sir.
Okay.
It's really hurtful, sir. You have performed a lot of operations, right, sir? Can you do me a favor, sir?
Shall I give you medicine for that?
Yes, sir. The side of my stomach, can you please place a zip here? It will be very easy to pour down alcohol here, sir.
Hey, who is this man?
Sir, alcohol, if I put it inside my mouth, it is going to be a problem. But if I put it here, it is not going to be a problem.
I allowed you thinking you as my friend. No, that was my first mistake.
Shanmukha, please tell him, man. I'm ready to spend 5,000 to 6,000 rupees, man. Please tell him.
Hey, if I see you again once
I'll
here,
take it. No, sorry.
take him
No,
along with you.
I will.
You should never show your face to me again. Get lost.
Sir, you have performed a lot of bypass surgery, sir.
Please go from here.
Do
He
one
will
for
do
me
for you.
also,
Go.
sir.
Go,
Please,
go,
sir.
go,
Hey,
go.
Shanmukha, please tell him,
bloody
man.
rascal. He gives me free treatment for all my pains. You have bloody spoiled
I can spend
all that
2 more
stuff.
1,000 rupees, man.
Come with me. It is all my fate. Arrest him immediately.
Okay, sir.
You can't arrest him like that, sir.
Why?
You wait for some time. As a doctor, I informed you because it was a knife injury.
This guy must be
Wait for
shifted
some
to special
time.
ward.
You can't shift him to the prison ward right now. He's been given drapes. Once it's completed, I'll inform you. Then you can take him along with you. You wait for some time. Please
you
cooperate.
stay here. Shift him to special ward. And then inform me. Then I'll do what
sir.
has to be done. Bastard.
Come. Go inside, huh?
No tablets, only injection.
Give us the medications, man.
Hey, stop
sleep,
talking, man. Don't create a nuisance
Hey,
over
shut
here.
up and go there,
Please
man.
maintain silence over here. Stop
Hey,
nonsense.
how many times
Stop the
I've asked you,
nonsense over
man?
here. Brother, please come in. Please
What,
help
Vasanta,
us.
how
We
are
you?
need your help.
I'm
Please
good.
get in.
Suri brother, they're not letting us
Hey,
inside.
they are with me. Send them in.
You may go.
You are showing good
You
improvements.
people wait.
You are totally fine now. Keep breathing. Deep breathe. Very good. You are all right.
How is he, doctor?
Once you get the bail, you can take him home, okay?
Cheer up, Kamali. I'm all right. Don't be scared.
Food has to be given at 11 o'clock.
I'm alive, right? Nothing has
What, man,
happened.
are we begging or what? We are not beggars. Feed us
Vijay,
properly. If you look
tell
at
me
us,
who
you're
attacked
plucking
you.
your eyes out.
I don't know who it is.
Hello, sir. Greetings, sir.
yeah.
Sir,
Hello,
welcome.
sir.
You are Professor Kamali, madam, no?
Yes, sir.
Mariappan told me. Call writer Subramani. He's in Rayapeta police station. Advocate sir is calling, I think. Hi, how are you, sir? Tell me, sir. One small clarification. In our station, is there any case in the name of Mr. Vijay? Yes, sir. He has attacked our inspector daughter. Now the girl is in serious state. So our inspector is very angry now with that fellow. Okay, I'll see. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, 1 minute. In that accused Ravi case, you can apply for bail now, sir. There is no problem in our side. Inspector told me to send you. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, thanks. Okay, sir. What is this, madam? That fellow has attacked inspector's girl.
No, sir. I don't think so. It's happened.
Okay, leave it. Don't worry. Today I'll apply for Jamin. I'll manage everything. You don't
Thank you,
worry.
sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot,
Thanks,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Okay,
you.
okay.
Hey, brother,
Vijay,
don't worry.
man.
We are here
along
for
with
you. Okay,
Don't
we'll
worry,
always
we are
take
here
good care
only.
of you.
Huh?
Don't worry. We'll
Don't
always
worry
be
at
here for
all.
you, bro.
What's this new thing? You and Nandini were good, no? Why did you hit her, Vijay?
What? When did I beat her?
No, teacher, they're spreading lies. On that day, she wore a sari which was given by him. Just because these people were in love, his father has done something.
Hey, he has only raised a complaint against you. That's why you're here in jail.
Rajapete, police station, accused Vijay, Jamin petition. Please take, sir.
Good morning, my lord.
Who's going to appear for this?
I am appearing for petitioner, bar accused, sir.
What is the case?
Offense under section 323, 307, 506 bar 2.
My lord, he's a college student. This is a thing happened between students, sir. There is no motive and intention in this, sir. Soon exam is also coming, sir. So we are accepting all conditions from court, sir.
Can we actually give him bail?
With some strict rules, you can grant the bail, Your Honor.
Since the accused is a student and is preparing for the semester exams, and he has to go to the nearby police station at 9 a.m. in the morning and sign in the register book.
Are you the Vijay? You have got the bail. You can leave now.
Take, ma'am, this is the bail order.
Be careful.
Go.
Take him, take him.
Come.
Hey, careful.
Hey, careful.
Dude, hold my hands.
No, that's okay.
Bro, please keep it inside.
Okay, dude.
Hey, what are you seeing, man?
I'm just checking whether they've stitched it properly or what.
Why?
Even for a small hurt, everything we have drunk will come outside, right?
Yes, bro. Do you know the alcohol price right now?
Okay, I'll go to Shah. Let's go to college.
okay,
okay, man.
bro.
Okay, dude.
Hello, brother. Please stop the vehicle. The girls are not coming to the college.
Huh?
Since the construction is completed, they have returned to their own college, brother.
What? What you
Yes,
said?
brother.
Girls won't come. My God.
What? Girls are not coming.
You're like, what is this?
Hey, are you
what
saying
a
the
big
truth?
shock is this
Hey,
for us?
what is
Hey,
this,
come.
man?
Hey, come. We'll
What
go and
is
see.
happening?
Hey, come.
Come, let's go.
dude.
Let's see.
What, sir? The girls have left or what?
They finished the construction work in the college and hence returned.
Sir, even our building will collapse very soon, sir. Even we have to move there and study.
You guys seem to destroy this building. Just get lost. Go, study for your exams. Go.
See, man, they've got no respect towards us.
Brother, don't feel bad about the current situation. We can go to her college. Mustafa, talk to him.
Don't worry, man. We'll take care of all of that.
There you go. Smoke. Hey, stop it, man. Please stop this quarrel among ourselves. We'll go to the girls' college. We'll sort it over there.
Hey, dude. Relax, man. Relax a bit. We'll sort out everything, man. Relax a bit. We'll look at it, man.
Hey, Vijay is here. See him, no? We have come here without informing. That's why they are here.
You don't see him. Go that side. He's seeing us only.
Why don't you talk to him? He has come for you.
Please step out of the
Okay,
vehicle.
Mani,
I'm
you
already late. Thank you.
Hey. Why are you always behind her? If my sister get to know, she'll be very angry. She has already informed Adi uncle.
Hey, what is this? He's definitely not a good man. He has bad temper also.
Come, dear. Please come in.
Come inside, in-law.
What, do I look like a girl? Huh? I'm wearing the sari of your sister, huh?
Don't get angry, my dear. Don't get angry.
Hey, leave me. I'm going to kill him like a hen, and then I'll come and talk with you people.
Don't get angry, my love. Don't get angry.
Huh? Keep being soft like this. That fellow is roaming with another girl. Huh? Hey, Chitra, come here.
Uncle?
Huh. Today you'll see the character of your uncle. Do you know where is that boy now? Come and show him. Come.
My love. Don't get angry. Don't get angry.
Uncle, please stop. It's here.
Get off. Hey, fellow. Come out.
Brother, what do you want? Tea or
Call
coffee?
your owner.
I know how to prepare tea, brother.
If you make tea, I won't drink. Call your owner. Hey, come here. Put the stand.
I think your body is weak. You didn't able to put stand also.
Now, okay.
He looks like a bodybuilder. Who is Vijay here?
Huh?
Who is Vijay here?
Please don't be angry, uncle. Please don't be angry.
You go to your house now. Uncle is going to play a game.
Uncle, the thing is...
Go to house.
Uncle, please don't be angry.
Go to house. Hey. Without sugar. Make a China tea.
Brother, are you a sugar patient? Don't shout like this, you will swoon.
Hey, do what I say.
You sit.
How much time? Keep it here.
Take,
Okay,
brother.
okay. Bring 4 chocolates.
Chocolate. Don't talk to me now.
Open it up. Otherwise, I'll tear your skin.
Many appetants are the devil.
Hey, put it in the tea.
Into the milk?
Put it here.
Brother, I have seen people put sugar tablet into this, but chocolate only.
It's all over, no. Take it off.
Should be fed, is it? Why like this?
I'll start fight in sweet manner.
Announce holiday for the shop today.
Sir, we have come here to sign for the condition bail.
What's your name?
Vijay, sir.
Take your address, your name, and today's date.
Okay.
Everything you need to fill, okay? After filling, keep on 500 note on that.
Why 500, sir?
Security for that note. Who will take care of it? Ganesh Murthy.
Yes, sir.
Next to our house, one guy had beaten, right? Any news about that guy?
Inquiry is going on.
Hey, put him inside and put some case on him. Only then I'll be peaceful.
That can be taken care. Sir.
Sir, matchbox.
Here, sir. Sir.
Sir,
What do you want?
they asked me to see you, sir.
Wait for some time. Bloody fellow. Sir, according to a report, there is a threat for your life, sir. We can provide you a PSO. You just give us a requisition. I'll take care of the rest.
Oh, who will be the villain for me in my city, isn't it? He only got
Go.
scared. If there is someone, my son is over there. He will take him off.
Hey, Teddy Bear, when did you come, man?
Come, bro.
Hey, brother, stop. You're Vijay, no?
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Hey!
Hey, who are these people?
He's actually Kavita's cousin. Since Vijay fought with him, he's here to take revenge.
Who are you guys?
Hit him. Break his ribs. He's a champion.
Hey! Come! Hey, beat him! Hey! Hey!
Hey, you. Go and check.
Okay then. Hey!
Hey, you think you're big rowdy here?
If you have guts, come face me directly. Only you can beat Izzat. Even I can do it. When I can beat this guy, I can beat you also. If you ever disturb me again, I will chop off your hand, remember?
Vijay, stop beating them. What's wrong with you?
Hey, come
Sir,
on, come on.
please,
Relax.
no, sir, please, sir.
Relax, brother, relax.
I told you not to join with this shouting. You won't listen to me.
Hey, brother, are you having matchbox? Hey!
Is it you? Stop! Stop, I say! Hey!
Hey!
No, just leave him.
Body is paining. Dude, we should not leave him.
Hey, do you have the opener? Hey, give me the glass. Give me the glass.
Hey, I'll smack your head.
Hey, bring me the glasses.
Hey, you get me the filter, man.
What a great idea, dude. Hey, pour it properly.
Yeah, pour it properly.
Careful.
Hey, is it a tea shop or a liquor shop? Get away, mom. Run away.
Brother.
Hey, you keep on doing
What
like
did
this.
it?
Next time when there are going to be riots here, I'm not going to allow you to stay here. Understand? And on that note, I'll burn your whole store down.
Hey, you bloody fool. I am your friend, don't you know? This is my bread and butter.
I know that matter, but liquor doesn't know that.
You can never be reformed. Hey. Bloody what nonsense, huh?
Brother, what do you want, brother? What about you? 2 flake.
I want one burfi.
Okay, brother.
Hey, I want one mixer packet.
Is this a bar for you to supply to these people?
Come on. Cheers.
Are you
cheers.
taking order?
We should give water to everyone and help them, boss.
What are they speaking and what are you saying? Go.
Ma, police has come.
Hey kid, it was Vijay who killed your father. You must kill him.
Sir, how can you enter the house without my permission? I'm a college professor. What work do you have here?
You, wake him up.
Sir, why are you waking them up?
Hey, get up, policeman.
I never ordered for masala dosa. I have ordered for chicken, man. What is this?
Bloody fellow, you are blabbering. Get up, inspector has come. Get up.
Hey, let him come, man. I don't care. Did I ask him to come
Are you?
here?
Listen to you blabbering. Wake him up.
Sir,
Hey,
why
get up.
are you doing this, sir?
Madam, June 5th, this fellow has beaten a fellow with the help of an iron rod and he's died now in front of the Kutramurthi's house.
Hey, you. Go.
They
wake
have
him up.
complained to the police. That's why we came now to arrest this fellow. Come.
Hey,
Come.
Get up, you
Mustafa,
lazy boy.
is it true?
Hey, get up, man. Get up, sorry, sir.
You've gone to
Get
the
up.
extent of killing people?
Lazy boy.
Sir,
Hey, get up, you lazy boy. Idiot. Get up. Hey, get up, man.
Sir,
Get up.
1 minute. You want to take that
Hey,
fellow with
get
you,
up.
right?
Get up.
Sir, please. Don't take him, sir. 1 minute, sir, please. Hey, sit down here. Sit. Vijay. Wait. Vijay.
Doesn't matter how much water
Vijay,
you pour down because
look
he's
at
really
your-
drunk yesterday.
Get up. Take this. Wear this. Wear it.
Hey, come. Let's go.
Vijay.
Get to the van. Get inside. Hey, don't leave him at any cost. Hit him. Don't leave him with the boots. Hey, kick him. Kick him. Hit him. Kick this bloody bugger. Hey, don't leave him at any cost.
Sir, you look like my uncle, sir.
So that
Can I have 1/4 of alcohol, uncle? Please, I can't bear the pain, uncle.
I want to bring quarter for you. Beat him.
Yes,
Beat
yes,
him.
yes, yes.
Kick him. Beat this bloody bugger.
Take this.
Okay, come on. Sit down. Before putting FIR on that boys and hajaring them in the court, after that we'll take custody. Before that, you just meet our inspector and then convince him first. Because inspector is very, very angry now. On behalf of this, those boys' life will spoil. During the age of study, why these people are doing like this? Excuse me. Come here.
Tell me, sir.
Inform to inspector that Rajini's junior has come. Go and inform him.
Come in.
Hello, sir.
On June 5th, they have murdered someone and thrown the body in front of Kotramurthi's house. I am filing an FIR. I will produce him in the court tomorrow.
My sir is thinking that you are having personal vengeance on Vijay, sir.
That's right. He should know what will happen if he touches a policeman's daughter. You know what we do with these people? Either they should be killed on spot or make them run and shoot them.
If you talk like this and try to threaten me, I'll go to the human rights.
You can bloody do whatever you can. Use your body if you want.
Sir, please talk to me respectfully. I'm a college professor.
Hey, respect. You want respect? Respect. I saw all your antics. You will give him an underwear. You will bathe him. You will tie lungi for him. Are you not ashamed? Will a family woman do this? You go tell Rajinikanth that I told him. Ask him not to interfere.
Why are you telling not to interfere, Ganesh Murthy? I know why you're doing this. What's in your mind? You do whatever you want and we have to keep
You
quiet.
say whatever you want, sir. I will file a case against him and put him behind bars.
Boys have beaten. I accept that. But he didn't die. Shall I tell you how did he die? What, Ganesh Murthy? You're thinking, how do I know this? Police department is my friend. Now also I have made my boys to surrender for the crimes you have done, you know. If you make our people to stand in court, then I will make your daughter to stand in court. I will make them to tell that they did it for your daughter's sake.
Sir, if our girl's name comes out means it will spoil her life, sir. So, release that boy, sir.
Hey, are you all coming together to blackmail me? Listen, Pulipande. Leave them free.
Hey, get up. Inspector is calling you.
What, sir? You're letting us go or what? Do we have all the local music systems outside?
Hey, do you need more thrashing? Get up. How much do you even talk? Come outside.
What, Subramani?
Yes, Sabari, sir. It's good time. You came here, no? If you are not here means this boy's life was gone. Madam, give good advice to these peoples.
Okay, sir.
Before that, say thanks to Mr. Sabari, sir. Hey, boy. Sign in this condition bail book.
Dude, this guy is asking for your autograph. Throw it and come.
Subramani.
Okay, Sabari, sir.
You come to my college campus. You'll know
Just
what
shut
I
up
can
and
do.
move.
Be careful, man.
Shaurya, come inside.
Hmm?
I said come inside. Have a seat, Shaurya.
Vijay, that Murthy didn't die because you beat him. After that also he was still alive. Actually, culprit Murthy, he got scared and told his son to kill him. He is doing this because that Ganesh Murthy is behind him. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. You stay strong. Don't turn yourself into a rowdy. This girl Kamali, she advised me a lot when we were in love. I didn't listen to her. Now we have separated.
I thought wrong about you, Shaurya. I thought he will spoil his life because of you. But now I realize he's safe because of you.
Kamali, what happened to you? I don't like emotional Kamali. I like the Kamali who gets angry and scolds me and always advises to me. Okay, Vijay, I'll leave now. You be careful from that inspector, okay? He'll be haunting for you. Okay, Kamali, bye.
Wait, Shaurya. I'll cook for the dinner.
No, Kamali, I have an emergency meeting. I need to go.
Okay.
Hey, Kardi, hello.
Fresh up and come. I'll prepare the dinner.
Dude, like the brother Shaurya told, mostly the Nandini's father is really angry on you.
Brother, we just have one idea to clear all these problems right now.
What?
Nandini's father is upset about you because you slapped Nandini, right? Why don't you go to Nandini's father and ask apologies to him, man? Why don't you tell him that it was a big mistake and you regret about it even today?
You should meet Nandini once and tell everything clearly that what has happened.
How will I go talk to her? She's really mad on me. There's no college also.
Next to Nandini's house, there's some Dargah festival going on tomorrow.
Vijay, tomorrow surely Nandini will come. You just make her understand.
I'll try.
Hey, brother. Did they kiss you?
Get lost, you idiot. This is what they have given us. I'll give you.
Dinner. Triplicane area, today is our grand and auspicious celebration is going on. For this chairman of All India Union Party, big man and our union head, we welcome Skotrava Murthy sir. We are very happy on inviting him. On this beautiful occasion, we are felicitating our head now. our Jamaat's leader, Mr. Abu Sali. Please felicitate him, sir. On behalf of
Dude,
festival
I don't think we can
committee
wait till the
team,
function
please
ends.
welcome, sir.
We'll plan something else, man.
Those who have come here, what I would like to tell all of you is, your path is yours, our path is ours. For every time these festivals will be there and you will be celebrating this. As far as I know, one good time will come. That's what I believe. In the cities, Brother Sadiq Pasha's Qawwali is going to start now. That is why I'm going to end my speech now.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
From the last 2 times you have missed it. We are not missing it this time.
I'll put cycle chain in the cable. After the power cut off, we'll finish him.
Hey. Somebody is planning to kill the Vijay, man. Ask him to come
what are
here.
you saying,
Ask him to
man?
come.
Hey, don't scream, please. Hey.
How did you come here?
You actually don't have any idea how much I'm struggling to see you from these days. Please understand.
Please don't tell movie dialogues.
Don't talk like a crazy kid. You know the intensity of how much I love you. On the other hand, your dad is acting crazy. Did I purposely beat you? It was absolutely an accident. You know that, right?
Your friend told me everything about the relationship between you and Professor, madam.
What nonsense are you talking?
Mom,
Why, dear? Why haven't you slept yet?
I'll sleep off now.
Go to bed now. Tomorrow you have college, right?
Okay, Mom.
Hey, switch on the light. Hey, what has happened over here? Hey, someone called the police.
Oh my god. Oh,
Hey,
what happened?
What has happened over here? What
Who
happened
did this?
to him,
Who
man?
did this?
Hey,
Who did this?
Who did this to him?
Oh,
Hey, boss,
Dad,
boss,
please wake up,
hey,
Dad.
Call the ambulance.
Dad,
Call
wake
the
up, Dad.
ambulance.
Oh, what happened?
to him, man?
Come along.
He's our
Come
friend.
along.
He's our boss.
Brother, how is dad now?
His hands are hurt, but seems like he's going to recover.
They've cut his hand. How dare?
Nobody can destroy Hindu and Muslims' friendship. We are one mother's child.
Mashallah.
We have removed his left hand. No problem now. He is in safe condition now.
Sir, I told you on that day. You only told me that you don't need any kind of security, sir. Now look at the position you're in, sir. I'm very sorry. But I'll find out who did this.
Don't leave that hand ordinary. We are going to bury it.
Hey, brother.
Daddy?
How you used to bury me when I was dead? With same respect, you should bury my hand.
Okay, Daddy.
It's very sad to see all this. You have helped so many people. Now you lost your hand.
What is this? What they are doing? Huh? Already they are not letting us sleep during the night. Hereafter, what is going to happen?
Sir, we will not spare them, sir. Really, we will not spare them. I'm telling you this openly.
Hey, don't create trouble unnecessarily. I'll inquire, find out, and put him behind the bars.
Sir, just listen to my words.
What happened? Is there any emergency?
Hey, nothing like that, man. That culprit Murthy has lost his hand, right? For that reason, thinking that he'll get murdered, they are killing all his enemies. Old murderers, new murderers, they're killing everyone, not sparing anyone.
I'm really getting scared, Shaurya.
Don't worry, Kamli. Can anyone touch him passing me? Or I will leave them.
Vijay won't face any problems because of Murthy.
Nothing will happen. My guys are outside only. Be careful at night. Morning we will leave. Don't open the door if anybody knocks.
As Shaurya said, leave the city tomorrow morning.
Nandini still has wrong opinion about us. How can I go without explaining her all this?
I will talk to her and make her understand.
Dad, I've killed all of our enemies, Dad. But those college guys, I have never found them. He'll always be with other guys, Dad.
Hey, you must never kill an elephant when it is alone. If you are thinking like killing, think about it.
You shouldn't write that Kumkum, Ma.
Who are you to keep me Kumkum?
You and Vijay is in love, right?
Should I sacrifice Vijay for you?
Talk like an educated person. Don't talk like a fool.
Whole village is talking about the relationship between you both. I know that you both are staying under the same roof. There is nothing left to talk about him. You may leave now.
You both should get married and live happy life.
Why? I should marry him and you both want to do romance?
Do you know why he is in my house? Do you know what he is to me? Vijay was my neighbor. I spent my majority of the time in Vijay's house.
I want to study. We will think about all this later.
Vijay's mom became pregnant, but she didn't wanted this baby. She wanted to abort it.
So take this pill. Tomorrow abortion will happen. If it doesn't work, then let's take English medicine. Don't do it slowly. Do it fast.
But she wasn't successful. She wanted to take off the baby.
Sister, if it's paining so much, give me the baby for some time. I will take care of it.
Right after she delivers a baby, we'll hand over it to you. You can take care of it. Come, drink.
Medicines that she took to abort the baby turned into a poison. When doctor said we can save either mother or the baby, everybody said to kill the baby.
Please save my daughter, doctor. It's still okay if baby life is not saved.
But his mother only died. They saved the baby.
You left me and went. As soon as the baby comes, he took your life.
He was such a child. I thought him as my son. I became his mother. When the entire city spoke bad about us, how much hurt I would have been. Cheh, I don't care about this city. But you please understand. Try to understand Vijay.
Driver, where is our sir?
Driver has come. Sorry, ma'am. I have taken you wrong. Forgive me.
No problem. That's okay. You please talk to Vijay once. Just because he hit you, your father is trying to put him behind bars. And that Murthy guys, they are trying to kill Vijay.
I want to talk to Vijay. Friday evening, can you please ask him to come to the same place?
Yeah, sure, I'll tell him. Go now.
What he was discussing with you while giving this money?
I'm in love with a girl named Nandini. You go and pray to the God that I should get that girl.
Pray for us.
What, Kamali? What did Nandini say?
Wait. Nandini believes that you have done nothing wrong. Just not that. She's not angry on you anymore.
Is this true?
Next week around 6 o'clock, she'll be waiting for you in the temple. After that, for a week or for a month, just stay in some other city and come.
What about the college exams and results?
Yeah, he's a rank holder, see. One side it's Nandini's father. Other side, Murthy's gang is also looking for you.
Teacher, he's a college chairman, teacher. If that criminal is top rank, we are above him, teacher. Can't do a damn thing.
Hey, just shut up, yeah. What if he troubles you and harms you? Then what about me?
So, you're asking me to vacate the place like a coward?
Vijay, for some days only. Nandini's father will cool down. I will only talk to him and then try to convince him. And I will try to get you guys get married, okay? Are you happy? I know how it's painful to leave your love and stay. I definitely know the feeling. Hey, I don't want you to face such problems. Your Nandini may have some trouble.
That means we'll get married, right?
Definitely she's yours.
Kamali blessed me. That means Nandini is mine. Why all this? I can apologize to Nandini's father. If required, I'll ask sorry to Keshavamurthy also. That means everything is sorted, right? I'll be happy if Nandini is mine. She is enough for me. I grew up without my mom. You have fulfilled my mother's place till date. She'll also take care of me the same way, right? I really need her. I need her. I need her.
Hey.
I need
Vijay.
Nandini, Kamali.
Vijay. Hey, don't cry. You'll get your Nandini.
Really?
Yes, for sure.
She'll be mine.
Hey Vijay, dude. If love is going to give pain, it is only when your girl is going to get married to another guy, man.
Hey,
Go
please
meet
stop all
Nandini
this,
and
man.
come
It is
first,
very
like
weird to hear
Kamali
all this
said.
shit.
Let's elope together, man. We'll come back later after a few days. Then everything will be okay. After a few years, if you come back with kids, even parents will be very much fine with it. You convince her like this. If she says, I'll come only when my father permits me, I'll come only when my mother permits me to step outside. If she says like this, Vijay, we'll kidnap her.
Huh?
We'll
She'll come
kidnap
with me,
her, man.
Do you think all
Hey.
this works out?
Hey dude, one of my cousin is there in Maduranthakam, okay? He's having an Innova car. That car is used to kidnap lovers, okay? I'll bring that car, dude. We are planning and kidnapping Nandini, okay? Hey, I am giving 50,000 yaar. I'm giving the money. We'll see it. Whatever will come.
Bro, I look after the diesel cost. You don't have to worry about anything.
He is my friend. And he has told that he is going to get us 50,000 rupees. And my friend Teddy Bear is telling that he is going to take care of fuel prices.
I'm not talking about diesel. Tea cost.
Nandini's father is so angry for all the mess happened. Now if he comes to know all this, he'll go even mad.
Hey, my relatives are nearby only, man. Police will not enter into that area. Tomorrow we are kidnapping that girl, okay? Brother, stop the car! Stop the car, brother!
Hey, what you're doing over here?
They have murdered Kogi Kumar and Tota.
You should have informed me in phone, right?
I've called you, but your phone is not in range.
I told you to stay over there, right? Who'll look after Kamali now?
5 of our boys are
Already
there.
I'm in tension. You're doing this. Hey, you call that Suresh and Ravi. Check everything's alright over there.
Don't worry, brother. Our boys are there.
Shauri, get us ice cream, Anna. Anna, get us ice cream. Buy us
Hey,
ice cream.
stop, man. These are my boys. Hey, ice
Brother.
fellow, give them ice.
Yay, ice cream, ice cream.
Hey, for me,
Yay.
vanilla. Butterscotch.
For me, one
chocolate.
butterscotch. For me, mango.
No, I want
Pineapple one.
chocolate.
Hey, come here. Hey, keep this money with you.
Run, soon. Run quick.
Run.
Brother, wake up, brother. Shaurya, brother, wake up, brother, wake up. Shaurya, brother.
Hey. Get up, fellow. Get up. When can we become the head? Yesterday night, lot of murder has been happened in your area. Kato Murthy's persons only did this, I think. What? You have started the investigation,
Investigation is going on, sir.
Collect all that CCTV footage in that area.
Okay, sir. We are doing the same, sir.
Take that footage also.
Okay, sir.
They've killed Sauri also. But we don't get any evidence. It's a bloody high pressure for us. Find that bloody accused without wasting time.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
You go check your CCTV footage of your house camera. He's cheating your daughter in the name of love. You claim to save the society and look at your house, man.
Unknown person has entered in police house itself. We want to show the power of police.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
hey, the fellows you murdered were not Buddha or Gandhi. They were all Godses. But listen, leave that Vijay to me.
Sir, why do you care about it, sir? I will do it. Don't worry, sir.
Nothing doing. I have to kill him with my own hand. Bloody bastard. My daughter. He has ruined my daughter's life.
Sir, relax, sir. Don't worry, sir. Be calm, sir. Don't worry, sir. I will kill him, sir. Sir, don't worry, sir. I'm leaving right now, sir. I'll kill him, sir. Don't worry, sir. Hey.
Sir. These rowdies brought me here, sir.
I only asked him to kidnap you. Where is Vijay? Where is Vijay?
I don't know.
Only if you reveal that you can go back home. Rudra,
Sir?
inquire with her in your style.
Hey, you come with me. Hey, answer to my question correctly. If not, you'll be behind the bars with 4 guys. Anyhow, you look very hot and pretty. In case I put you with them, they will ruin your life completely. Will you tell or not? Open your mouth.
What, Rudra?
Ha, sir?
Did she open her mouth?
She is not at all opening her mouth, sir. I think she needs our treatment. Only then she will open her mouth.
She's big thief, sir.
Hey,
this woman and your daughter were talking in the temple and I saw it, sir. It just happened yesterday, sir. Sir, and that too according to our source. Your daughter and that boy were supposed to meet in the temple, sir. And they had planned to elope to a different city, sir. If your daughter had opposed the plan, she also planned to get your daughter married, and within a year, they had implemented a plan to meet you with the child, sir, to take your blessings. Sir, they had even booked a car to kidnap your daughter. Sir, the people who are behind this kidnapping plan are already arrested by Udupi police.
Oh,
But Vijay has managed to escape, sir.
Please, sir. Please just believe me. He's very nice, sir. Please let them get married, sir. He will definitely take good care of us, sir. Please, sir. Please. Don't do anything to Vijay, sir.
Shh! You bloody! How dare you do this? He is a scoundrel, a rascal, a crow, and you're asking my daughter for him? Hey!
Sir.
Hey! If you plan and take my daughter away, get her married, and if she comes back with her son, you think I will bless her?
No, sir.
Hey!
Oh, no, sir.
Bloody bitch! Rudra!
sir.
Bring him somehow here.
Sir, please, sir, please.
Hey.
Sir, please, sir.
Hey,
just
where is
listen
he?
to me.
Will you say or not? Hey, make us sleep.
I don't know.
Sleep now. Remove our clothes.
Please, madam.
You know what is this?
No, madam. Please, madam.
You know what I'll do now? You haven't married, right? If you're married, then you would
No,
be
madam.
knowing.
Please.
If I ask you, you're not answering, right?
Hello, Vijay.
Stop it.
Komali! Komali! What happened,
Vijay.
Komali?
Hey,
Vijay.
what are you doing? Get up!
Vijay.
Hey, catch him, man. Catch him.
Catch hold of him.
Don't leave him.
Hey!
Sir, no, sir. Sir, please leave him, sir. Sir.
Hey!
Sir, bloody, you have killed a boy.
Hey! Only a father will know the real pain is. We give our life to grow them. But bastards like him, just for a few minutes pleasure? Deceive and take them away? Marry her and then come back and bring her back to me? And you want me to celebrate this thing, you know? Bloody! These dogs should die this way. Hey! Scoop up this dog and throw him in Cuba. What the hell are you doing me? Go!
I want to talk to Vijay. Friday evening, will you please ask him to come to the same place? I'm in love with a guy by name Vijay. Even he is loving me. I should get him forever. Please pray for us.
What, dear? You said you'll be going to temple, but you came back soon?
One of my friend was supposed to come, but he didn't. So I didn't go to temple.
Hey, God!
Hey! Bastard!
Hey! Leave him! Who the hell are you? Just leave my dad!
You listen to me! Hey! Hey!
I'll definitely shoot you one or the other day. Vijay!